Hey, this is Kyra and you are watching The Bong Nurse. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thereby you will be knowing whenever I am online. Do you know, in the olden days, there was no profession called nursing. Nursing has been called the oldest arts and youngest of the profession. This word nursing is derived from a Latin word that is nutriere, which means to nourish. But now we are in an era of modern nursing. Leave all this. Let me tell you one story. Story of a great woman. Once upon a time, there was a lady called Florence Nightingale. She was born on May 12, 1820, in Florence city, Italy, to a wealthy English family. She was a very good and obedient child of her parent. She was an art student, educated in language, philosophy, and liberal arts. But that was not enough for her. She was always searching for a kick. One day she found that kick in serving the needy people. At the age of 31, she fought with her parents and entered into the nursing profession against the wishes of her parents. She started her nursing training at the age of 31 in Deaconess Institute in Kaiserworth and completed her training in 1853. As you know, in 1854, the Crimean War, that means the World War, was begun. Nightingale started her service in the military hospital. With so much of love and compassion, Nightingale started helping the wounded soldiers. With other nurses, she nursed the soldiers and succeeded in reducing the mortality, that means death rate, of the soldiers. As Nightingale and her nurse made their rounds carrying oil lamp in their hands, she became known as Lady with the Lamp, and the lamp remains as the symbol of the nursing profession. Later, in 1860, the Nightingale Training School was opened at St. Thomas Hospital in London. And in this way, Florence Nightingale became the founder of nursing profession. Thank you so much for your careful listening. ऐसे ही और informative videos के लिए subscribe करें The Bong Nurse. If you like the video, please give it a big fat thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with your friends. সবাই comment করে জানাও তোমাদের video কেমন লাগলো। आज के लिए बस इतना ही. I will see you in the next video. Till then, stay good, stay healthy. Bye bye.